Morning folks, we're going on an adventure. Couple more batteries folks, I think I've got everything. Oh my days, I nearly forgot something really important. I've got a bird to take with me this week, guys. I've got a bird. Yes! Let's go get him. Here's my bird, folks. Look everybody. It's Sonic. Are we going out, Sonic? Are we going out, birdie? Let's get him in, Vanna. It is, folks. Some of you have seen him before. Yes, Bob, I've got him some peas, Bob. I've got him some peas. Come on then, Sonic. Are we going to play out? Are we going on the Dales? Can everybody see him? Just bring the camera up. Here he is. Hello, birdie. Cheeky birdie. What are you doing? What are you doing, Sonic? Are we going out? Right, let's get on this adventure, folks. Bang on button, folks. I thought 10 o'clock I'll head off out. And 10 o'clock it is. So we're heading on an adventure. I think I'm going to go to a place called Devil's Bridge and just have a little look around Devil's Bridge first. That's just up the road from the Helwith Bridge Inn. Just nipping supermarket, folks, for some supplies. Wonder what supplies we're going to get today. Let's go find some snacks, folks. And that's what you get for thinking you can do everything one-handed and film whatever. We lost an inch, folks, we lost an inch. It's a beautiful rainbow! Just headed out towards Skipton. We passed through some absolutely stunning villages on way up. So Devil's Bridge is near a little place called Kirkby, Lonsdale. You gonna say hello, Sonic? You saying hello to everyone? Hello, birdie. Hello, mate. So yeah, I brought my parrot with me. Some of you'll know I already have a parrot, some of you won't. He's called Sonic. He's 3 years old this year on the 1st of April, because he's a fool, just like me. So yeah, I've come to Devil's Bridge. I came here before, I lost the footage and I was gutted. It's absolutely breathtaking round here. So I'm going to get a quick cuppa, a bit of a snack. We'll head off over the bridge, down the side of the river, and then go up into the little village. See you soon, folks. It's quite busy round here today. We've got another Peugeot partner over there. It don't look like a camper though. A couple more campers in, and we've got a lot of fire trucks up here too. So let's see what's going on. Maybe they're doing a training exercise. Here's the famous Devil's Bridge, folks. There's a bylaw on it. It means you can't jump off. It means you can't do shit. Have a look over, folks, huh? It says, listen to the myth of the Devil's Bridge. So I found the clip to play. I'm going to hold it near the phone while I go for the walk down here, folks. We're going that way down onto the river bank.
Welcome to Kirkby Lonsdale and the Devil's Bridge. The building of this stunning medieval bridge is not all that it appears. The bridge gets its name from an old myth. This tells us it was built by His Satanic Majesty. The legend goes that a cow belonging to an old woman strayed across the river. Unfortunately, the river had risen and she couldn't get the cow to return, however much she coaxed and implored it. At that very moment, the devil appeared on the opposite bank of the river and said, with a smile, "I will build a bridge in exchange for the soul of the first body to cross it." The old woman agreed and also smiled. Under cover of darkness, the devil constructed the bridge with his own hands, leaving his handprint in the wet stone. The next day, the old woman returned to the bridge and said, "I will fulfill my part of the bargain." The devil smiled, anticipating his success. However, the old woman had cunningly concealed a bun in her bag. She took the bun from her bag and threw it across the bridge, whereupon her small dog raced across the bridge to retrieve it. The dog, being the first soul to cross the bridge, cheated the devil of his prize. The devil, in a fit of rage at being outwitted, howled in anger and plunged from the bridge before vanishing in a cloud of brimstone. If you like to return to the center of the bridge, you can see the devil's handprint, an impression in the stone on the downstream parapet. Did the devil have 6 fingers? If you've enjoyed your visit to Devil's Bridge and would like to see more of Kirkby Lonsdale, consider taking the Riverside Walk opposite the interpretive board.
On there might be fingers, I don't know.
We reckon it's there, folks. 6 fingers, maybe. Look at that, baby. I got 6 fingers. So there we have it, folks. Devil's handprint. Put my hand where the devil put his hand. That poor lady having to take a cow across that water. Kind of canny to give him the dog though, wasn't it? So this is the path that leads to the town. It leads you along a bit of a walk, a few viewing points too. So I'll give you a little bit of a look, folks. It's absolutely breathtaking round here, and it's just stunning. You just can't make it up. So folks, we're heading towards something called Ruskin's View. We need to go up the Radical Steps. Why it's named so, I don't know. Ain't got a clue, but look at these little farm buildings here. That's just breathtaking, built right into the side of the hill. So we're going that way. Here we have the Radical Steps. Unfortunately, I can see to my right hand side Ruskin View is still shut due to flooding of the area. And there's Ruskin's View that you don't get to see. The Radical Steps brings you out into a cemetery. We just get straight through here, folks. We'll keep camera on because that church is lovely. We've got daffs out already. So we're halfway through February and the daffodils are coming, folks. It's lovely now, this bit of drizzle's stopped. Wow, look at them stunning windows. Let's go for a look round the town, folks. The old shop is beautiful, guys. Absolutely stunning. Ooh, Salt Pie Lane coming up. Salt Pie Lane, folks. Pause it and read it. It's down here. So this used to be part of the old cattle market area. Look at the old buildings. There's chainsaw going. Cheers, mate. It'll fucking rev it a bit, mate. I'm back lane here, folks. Look at these houses. Absolutely stunning. Swine market. What a stunning square, folks. Look at this. Possibly the town hall over there. Look at this in here. 1889 to 1908. King's Arms holiday cottages, folks, that's right, you can let them little babies. And the King's Arms through the snicket here, copper kettle on right, King's Arms left. So we're heading back to the car now, folks. Look at these little snickets and ginnels, whatever you want to call them. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that. Epic. Thanks whoever did that. Made me day that. Room for more. So we've just been into a chip shop, folks. Gluten free chips, no fish, can't have fish. But I can have something to eat. So I am doing. So I'm heading back to that. So here we are, folks, nearly back to the bridge. Like I said, we're back to the van, get something to eat, my chips, as you've seen. As I get my chips, I'll have a drink as well. Get that sorted out. Then about, I don't know what time it is yet, but about 4ish, I think I'm going to head off over to Helwith Bridge. Possibly for our last time. Who knows? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. What a stunning little town this is. So much to look at. And it's so tiny. I mean, look at that. Even gateposts. They've taken time to get them lovely. Look at them. Right, I'll see you back at van, folks. Now then, folks, we're leaving Devil's Bridge and we're heading to Ingleton Country Park Trail. We're head up there and see what it's like. I've got plenty of time before Stuart turns up anyway, so if we get up there, have a little look around. We pass it all the time. We never call in. I'm going, mate, I'm going.
Continue on A65 for 10 miles.
So we're 10 miles away, folks. Take you for a little drive in, yeah? As long as it don't bloody rain too much. It's a bit driggly. We're only 32 miles away from Skipton here. When I get there, folks, see you when I get there. So, folks, what a pretty place this is. Let's just go this way. You're going to be amazed at this. So the trail and cave is just there, yeah? We're going down this way, folks. You can probably hear what I'm going to look at. Get down there. This is immense. Shall I give you a look, folks? Shall I give you a look? Nah, I'm just looking, just me. You can't see it. I can. Look at this bad boy. Wow, look at power on that. Coming through that lovely rock formation up there. I bet we can get on top of that, folks. What do you reckon? Have a look over. And there's the church just to the right. Going down into the little village. But if we go down here, I think we get a better view. So I'm just going to move you down here, folks. Swing you back around slowly. Take a look up into that. Now you can see it diving even more. If you look straight through the hole where it's coming through, you can see the full drop of the waterfall. Absolutely stunning. So we'll see if we can go up on top, folks, and then we'll go up on the trail as well. to the caves. So we're on trail, folks. Little payment to get in. We're only £2.50. Whoa, look at that bad boy. Check you that way, there's someone round there. Look at that. So let's have a stunning walk around this trail, folks. It's a little bit rainy, but it's not too bad, really. Lovely day to go out for a walk around somewhere new. I've never been here before. I didn't even know they had a trail. I didn't know they had a waterfall. So we'll go for a walk around, folks. Anything that I see interesting, I'll let you know. So I think there's a bit of a climb up to the Ingleborough cave. Thankfully, like I said, it's raining a little bit. There's not many people here. Don't you just love it when people aren't here? Well, so it's like a lake at the top of the waterfall area. So the waterfall's just somewhere. It's over in the corner over there by the look of that. So by the look of it, folks, you can't get on the top of it. This is the lake. Let's give it a wipe and you can read it. Look at what I do for you folks, eh? Amazing. Look at the stonework in the corner there, folks. Heading that way. It shows you what nature we've got round here. I'll just give it a quick wipe. So we've got mallard, heron, cormorant, coot, buzzard, dipper and pheasant. Oh, I wouldn't mind seeing a buzzard. I don't know if you can see that, folks. Can you see the rain sweeping in? It's almost silent round here apart from nature. And my voice, obviously. Oh look, they've got a fucking money tree that people like hammering coins into. Stop it, you tramps, you're killing it. So it says don't add any more coins to it. If you rub a coin you can make a wish. If you nick a coin out of it and throw it into fucking water, make a wish, folks. Don't believe people actually hammer coins into trees. It just doesn't make any sense. You might as well just fucking fly tip everywhere, folks. Trees help us breathe if you didn't know. If you want to bitch about it, in the comments. Wow, look at this, folks. So this is the yew tree where people have hammered coins in. I wish I had a pair of pliers. So they've hammered it into that one. This tree stump is absolutely covered. Fair enough, hammer them into a tree stump, folks, it don't matter. But when you start hammering them into trees like that, it's a bit sad, innit? You killed it, folks, you killed the tree. Congratulations. Right, folks, if you want to read up on the geology of the area, pause the video and read up on it. There's the stream from the video going behind me, this way. Wow, look at that. For the information boards, folks, pause the video, have a read. What on earth's that in the side of the hill? Wowee, what on earth's this, folks? It's the grotto looking towards the Waits Scar, which is behind us. Look at that for a spectacular building. Oh my days. I could see a cross on the left hand side there, one on the right, there's a gargoyle in the middle. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I might have to switch to my phone here so you can get a shot inside, folks. Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm so lucky that I come here. Breathtaking. So as we come forward and go to the little board, I'll give it a wipe again, folks. Don't forget, pause it if you want to read it up. My coat's going to be soaked by the time I get back. So there you go, and this is looking towards the Waits Scar. So that's obviously Waits Scar in the background there. And look at that with them rolling misty bits of rain coming in and stuff. Absolutely stunning. The caves are about 750 metres that way, folks. Let's go. So we're going to take a slow walk back down from the cave now. If you like to go in the cave, it's an extra £10.50 I think it was, which is a bit much for a Yorkshireman looking in a cave. So folks, you can't get to the top of the waterfall, so I'm heading back to the car. I think I'm going to call that it for this adventure. It'll be quite a long video to show you. So what I'm going to do is get back to the car, head off to Helwith Bridge. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, as Stuart says, tell your mum.